Welcome to Python Factory. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to cube a number using Python. So 3 times 3 times 3 is what a cube is. 3 times 3 equals 9, and 9 times 3 equals 27. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Yeah, so first you're going to want to define find square, find underscore square, and then inside of the brackets, parentheses, you can do my underscore INP, which is my input, and then you return my underscore INP, and then after that, you're going to want to do my underscore input, my INP, my input, pretty much the same thing, except that's an abbreviation, I think. And then equals int, which makes sure it's an integer, input, which will basically make sure that you can input something, so if I ask a question you can answer it, and then enter a number. I know I need quotes, and then quotes, oh no, I made that mistake again, and then boom, that's basically well what you have. So if I run that, oh, fine, wait, don't you need a that? I think you do. Oh yeah, good. Enter a number. 3. It does nothing now because I'm not asking it to do anything. So then I do print my underscore input multiply. Okay. So if we missing parentheses. Oh, okay, fine. My input multiply. What that does is, you see right here, enter number 3, 27. So if I enter 4, 64. 4 times 4 is 16. Then 16 times 4, 64. So just does this times 3. Good. So far we have it. So that's basically the final code. If I did 1999, oh, I can't put an I. Let's see if I put an I. Error. Oh, it just restarts with. Oh, yeah. Int, because I said integer, it has to be a number. So 130, blah blah. Whoa. So that's basically how it works. Yeah. If you enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.